Hello everyone, this is Raji. In association with AKST, today let us learn about all except function and all selected functions. So, first let us learn about all functions. The all functions function returns all the rows in a table or all the values in a column, ignoring any filters that might have been applied. This function is useful for clearing filters and creating calculations on all the rows in a table. So here we have a table. This is the table we have. So first let us create a measure for total sales price as sum of sales. Right click, create new measure. Sum of sales equal to calculate sum of data 1 total sales price. Close the bracket. A measure is created for sum of sales. Now let us create another measure for all. For all sum of sales equal to calculate, call the function sum of sales, comma, use the function all, select from drop down data 1. Click enter. So this is the all function. First we have the table where we want to clear the filters on, and the column here I have taken as geographic region, the column that you want to clear filters on. So this returns the table or column with filters removed. So this is about the all functions. Now let us see the function all except. The all except filter function removes all context filters in the table except filters that have been applied to the specified columns. So let us see that with an example. Right click, create new measure. All except equal to calculate sum of sale, comma, all except, choose from table data 1, comma, select the table for which you want to remove the filters. Select geographic region. Click enter. So here first we have given the table name data 1. This table We have to select the table over which all context filters are removed except filters on those columns that are specified in subsequent arguments. So next, this is the column in the table data 1, the column for which context filters must be preserved. So it returns a table with all filters removed except for the filter for the specified column. So all the filters are removed except for the column geographic region. Now let us see the another function, all selected. The all selected function removes context filters from columns and rows in the current query while retaining all other context filters or explicit filters. The all selected function gets the context that represent all rows and columns in the query while keeping explicit filters and contents other than row and column filters. This function can be used to obtain visual totals in queries. Let us see that with an example. Right click, create new measure, name the measure as all selected equal to calculate sum of sales, comma, from data select all selected function from the drop down, from data select geographic region. Click enter. So this is the syntax here. This is the table name, the name of an existing table. This is the column name. This is the name of an existing column. Here we have taken. It returns the context of the query without any column and row filters. Let us go to the report view. Select table view. Or sales number. Sum of sales. All sum of sales. All except geographic region. All selected. This is the result we get. Select the sizer for geographic region. These are the filters applied when we select different geographic region and we get the result as shown. This is about all selected and all except functions in DAX. Thank you.